Ronald Spelma and Maria Spelma. And the great people from the Holy Passion, we love you so much. And you are so kind to us. You love India. And because of your help, we are able to give 10 showing pictures to the poor and needy people. They are extremely poor. And this showing mission will help them to make their daily living and also to help in the society. We love you and we are praying for your church, and please come back again. We are going to do a great thing and marvelous thing. And I remember other people from your church, and thank you, and I saw. Please convey our love and greetings to your family and your church. God bless you, Pastor Ronald and Maria. God bless. Praise the Lord.